decided to get our family's favorite snacks on our way home. The roasted corn. Natalia experienced something and you want to watch every minute to catch it. Let's go. So, we decided to enter a fabric store in Saki and get very nice Ankara material. I know this is going to be a very long day because it's always very difficult for Madame to choose something. So, here we are. Let's see how long this is going to take us. Alright, and after almost unpacking the whole store, thank God Madame found something. Check it out. That one is nice also.
Oh,
This one is nice.
oh my God, I love it. Oh, look. Look, I look at the instant.
Both of them.
What? You are paying, no?
This one,
I can take one, no wahala.
after we finished our shopping at the Ankara store, Natalia decided to return to the station in school. However, something unexpected happened to them. On the way there, continue to see what happened.
Mad woman chase you.
He was telling me, don't go.
Like what?
Like a witch.
The mad woman was like a witch. But you are always the brave one, huh? You want to try everything. You want to, eh?
I had money with my pocket, but I didn't forget. I took it with me. I didn't want to. I was just
No. The mad woman drag you. Because I don't understand what you guys are doing now.
I don't know if this is baby. You should have packed it there. What's the other one? What say? You know, you don't
He said he anticipated the whole thing, so he parked a bit far away from where the mad woman was. But you were like, oh my goodness. This woman, Awala too much. What if the mad woman drag you now? Okay, he thought that she was a beggar. You said small girl. Agbalagba wèrè ni. So guys, it was God that saved Natalia today. The bad woman really dragged her. She will try it. Okay, you move your bike away, far away, very good. Eh? She dropped the.
After the drama with the mentally challenged woman, Natalia, she had enough stamina to feed the mothership who was nursing.
He's smelling it.
Yeah,
He doesn't like it. Take this one. Take this one.
Mothership
Take this one.
around this area.
Just give it to her.
Days now.
Yeah.
That she has not been eating enough. And
The food is not for you.
feed her.
It's for her.
She
This is the one that just delivered. Look at the stomach now.
Oh my god.
And look at the baby also. The baby is not been eating very well.
No.
They won't let it eat.
Hey.
This one won't let it eat it. This one won't let it eat it. Don't let them.
Hey.
They won't let it eat it. They see their own stomach. Their own stomach is big.
They don't want to chop salad.
No. Give it to. No. Let it eat. Yeah.
Yes.
You can touch him. I mean, you can touch her. See the stomach.
Yes.
I've been looking for her. Honestly, ever since we've been passing through that area.
And later on, Camille and Adam decided to join us in feeding the sheep and goats.
Bravo!
Boys were so excited that they forgot to put on their slippers. And no doubt, boys are having the best moment of their lives. The next day, Natalia decided to change her outfit before we went to see my friend. So we decided to ask my grandmother for advice.
I need this emboro. Emboro? Yeah. Mama, make it all the same color you have?
Yeah.
I like. Oh wow, thank you, Mama. Thank you. Oh wow, it's really nice actually. And what did Mama, what did I go do with this? Boro, yeah, but what did I go put? Like how? Yeah? Like what? Like this? Like this?
Yoruba
I don't feel comfortable.
It's beautiful.
Huh? Otida? Okay. If you say so, Mama, make it go. Okay, I have to go. I should go.
So after everything, we decided to take these beautiful pictures. What do you think, guys? Are they not beautiful?
Go. Put it up a little bit.
Oh my God.
You see the reason why I ask you to change your shoe? Put the bottom up. Put the bottom up. It's touching the. No. Yeah. Any shoe?
See what I'm doing for you? Would I do it for any other man? Oh, I don't think so.
Yeah. Hello, kabayan sila ko. Gentleman, Abi.
Hello everyone, Ekabo. We are thrilled to start this YouTube journey and share a glimpse of our family's adventures, stories, and special moments. Get ready to join us in laughter, learning, and creating lasting memories together. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content ahead. Thank you, Eshon.